Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is x is equal to under root 7 plus under root 3 over under root 7 minus under root 3, and the value for the y is equal to under root 7 minus under root 3 over under root 7 plus under root 3. You can see that this x and y are the reciprocal of each other, and both values are the given equation or a given values, and our required equation is x is to power 4 plus y is to power 4 equal to 4 plus x plus y over 4 equal to what. So here we will solve these for this expression or this equation by using this x and this y. So in the next step we should multiply both of these values, this x and this y, together. So left side will be multiplied with the left side and we will get xy, and this value will multiply together, and you can see that this value will cancel out this one, and this value will cancel out together, and as a result we will get value equal to 1. Then this is the answer for x into y. Now in the next step we should add up both this value x plus y, or this x or this y, and the left side will add up with this left side and we will get x plus y, and the right side and this right side will add up together and we will get both of these value as under root 7 plus under root 3 over under root 7 minus under root 3 plus under root 7 minus under root 3 over under root 7 plus under root 3. Now in order to simplify this condition we should take LCM by cross multiplying both of these value. When this value and this value will multiply together, you can see that both values are same, so this value and this value will multiply together and we will get whole square to this value, because this value is having the power 1 and this value is having a power 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This plus is here, and this value will multiply together and we will get under root 7 minus under root 3 overall square. And as a result, after the result of you can see that here we simplify this condition in numerator, and in the denominator we will get this value will multiply together and we will get under root 7 minus under root 3 into under root 7 plus under root 3. Now as we know that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So yeah, it means that if the two values having a plus sign between them and having the whole square, then it can be replaced, or formula expand through the formula is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So in the same way we should apply a plus b whole square formula on this value, because you can see that both values having a plus sign between them and overall power square. So if this under root 7 is a and this under root 3 is b, then it can be both values can be expanded through the formula or replace the value x and y inside this formula, and we will get 7 plus 3 plus 2 under root 7 into 3. How? When we apply, if this under root 7 is a and we will apply square according to this formula, this under root 7 will come out from the root and we will get 7. In the same way, when we apply square on these three values, and then this 3 will come out from the root and we will get 3, and plus according to formula, this plus is according to formula, and this 2 will come from the formula, and then this x according to this formula both values will multiply together and we will get under root 7 into 3. This is the expand form according to formula for this expression. Now here we apply a square minus a minus b square formula, because if the two values having the minus formula, simply this formula will remain same. This minus will replace with this plus will replace with the minus, and this plus will replace with the minus for a minus b whole square for. So when we expand according to that formula, a minus b whole square, we will get 7 plus 3 minus 2 under root 7 into 3. How? Simply when we apply square on this value, this 7 will come out from the root. When we apply 3 under root 3 square on this under root 3, this under root 3 will come out from the root and we will get plus 3 according to formula. This minus 2 according to formula, and this under root 7 into 3 will according to formula, because this is a minus b or x minus b will multiply together. This is the whole scenario for the numerator. For the denominator, both values will multiply together. You can multiply simply together, or you can apply a square minus b square formula. When you will multiply both of these values, then you will get the final result as under root 7 square minus under root 3 square. Because when two values are in multiplication, when both values are same except having the different values between them, then both values, then we will apply squaring on the minus value. So here we apply the same formula, we individually apply the square on this minus value, or we will replace these value according to formula, and under root 7 square minus under root 3 square will the final result for this expression for this denominator. You can see that this value and this value are the same but having an opposite sign, so it means both values will cancel out together, and as a result we will get the final expression for this x plus y as 20 over 7 minus 3. How? Simply this 7 plus 3 will be equal to 10, and this 7 plus 3 will be equal to 10, and 10 plus 10 will be equal to 20. This is the 7 minus, and this is the 3. And this 20 will remain same. 7 minus 3 will be equal to 4. 20 over 4 will be equal to 5. Now here we get the value of x plus y, and here we get the value of xy. Now in the next step we should write the value this inside this expression, because as we know that x plus y whole square formula is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, and as we know that x plus y is equal to 5 according to our simplification. X square plus y square will remain same, this 2 will remain same, and according to our simplification for xy, the value for the xy is equal to 1. So here we replace this xy with this 1. Now in the next step we should simplify this equation as x square plus y square. This 5 square will be equal to 25, and this 2 into 1 will be equal to 2, and it will go to the other side of the equation and convert into from plus 2 to minus 2, and this 25 minus 2 will be equal to 23, and this is the answer for this x square plus y square. Now we should apply squaring on the both side of the equation, and as a result we will get x square plus y square whole square formula equal to 23 to power square. Now in the next step we should expand this formula according to a plus b whole square formula, and we will get x to power 4 plus y to power 4 plus 2xy square equal to 529, because this 23 overall power square will be equal to 529. Now in the next step we should replace this x and y with 1. As a result we will get 2 into 1 square equal to 529. In the next step this 2 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus sign, and 529 minus 2 will be equal to 527, and this is the answer for x to power 4 plus y to power 4. So here we get the answer for x to power 4 plus y to power 4. Here we get the answer for x plus y. So we will insert both of these values, x plus y and x to power 4 plus y to power 4, inside this equation, and as a result we will get x is to power 4 plus y is to power 4 will replace with 527, and this x plus y with this 5, and when we open this 5 is to power 4 it will be equal to 625, and 527 will remain same, and now we will add up both of these values and we will get 1152, and this is the answer for this expression. So here we get the answer for this expression is 1152. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.